Hey everyone, thought I'd give you an update with the project so far for Steph's gift. I've got my beautiful mother here. She's doing some painting for me, and I'm going to show you where we're at so far. She's doing the moon right now. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
What do you think of the project?
I love it.
Yeah,
she's gonna love it.
Yeah, you think she will?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course she will. You made it.
And this is what I had to go on. I know it's always hard to look at a phone on these things. And this is what we had to go on for this. Miss Kenny, of course, is a big fan of Sailor Moon, as well as she's a big fan of deer, and she's a big fan of displaying her jewelry. So I think this is going to be a triple whammy. Anything you'd like to say? Think she's going to like it? Merry Christmas. So thanks for tuning in so far, and in the morning she's probably going to get to see it, so you guys will get to see her reaction. So thanks for watching so far. See ya. The beautiful ladies in my life here. What do you ladies think? You like it?
I like these.
Which ones?
Yeah, they're so cool.
Yeah,
She actually picked those herself.
they're awesome.
She was talking like in her room. She was like, "I'm gonna hang antlers here and here and here." Rusty made me a whole bunch.
Aww. Nice.
What do you think of my mom's painting?
A Sailor Moon thing.
It's really cool, isn't it?
I like how you're doing it upside down.
I know, right?
Well, it's the closest way,
I
right?
actually paint upside down a lot.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Gives you a different perspective.
Fair enough.
Is that my dog eating?
Well, thanks for watching. See you guys
sorry.
later.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, everyone. You've probably been waiting pretty patiently to see this, so I thank you for that. Merry Christmas and have a happy holiday. You're about to see her reaction. Let's see how this goes. Okay, hon, you can take your blindfold off. Now you can open your eyes. My mom painted it today while you were hiding in your room. You're gonna get me going too, sweetie. She's been having a rough go with the holidays, so I wanted to do something special for her. And she's wanted one of these for a long time. You like it? Check it out.
Wow. And like this thing down here, like, wow. Sorry.
I'm just gonna sit it down.
It's like cats and deer and Sailor Moon and I was like telling her dad about those deer things in the room and telling Natalie about where I wanted hooks of my deer antlers to go in my room.
Well, I commandeered them, sorry.
Commandeered?
Yeah.
But like, seriously, I was just talking about that when I was in the room with them while you were. Oh, there's a bar up here too.
Hello, everyone. You've
Hi, Rusty.
probably been waiting pretty patiently to see this, so I thank you for that. Merry Christmas and have a happy holiday. You're about to see her reaction. Let's see how this goes. Okay, hon, you can take your blindfold off. Now you can open your eyes. My mom painted it today while you were hiding in your room. You're gonna get me going too, sweetie. She's been having a rough go with the holidays, so I wanted to do something special for her. And she's wanted one of these for a long time. You like it?
love it.
Check it out.
And like this thing down here, like, ow, sorry.
I'm just gonna set it down.
It's like cats and deer and like Sailor Moon and wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Like it's a beautiful, beautiful piece of art.
So that's the one that I was going with,
Mm-hmm.
and that's what my mom painted from. And I've showed you guys before, but just to show you again, that's all we had to go from a painting, and that's all I had to go from for an idea. And so she's gonna fill it with the jewelry. Obviously, I'm not buying that for her.
I already got lots of that.
You do
That's
already.
it.
You do already have lots for
This is
that.
so amazing.
We have a tradition to do a homemade Christmas gift for each other, and I want to do something special for her. They've all been watching the process so far. And I've had my niece give me creative advice, and I've had my mother do a piece of art on it for me.
And that's so much like that your mom did that. Like, I was like telling her dad about those deer things in the room, and telling Natalie about where I wanted hooks of my deer antlers to go in my room.
Well, I
And
commandeered them. Sorry.
commandeered.
Yeah.
But like seriously, I was just talking about that when I was in the room with them while you were. Oh, there's a bar up here too. Wow. This is amazing, beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
So I think I did a good job. She's teared up. It almost made me tear up.
So me, like I love.
She loves the color. She already knew that she did because I showed her a test piece. I said, "Do you like this color gray?" She didn't know what it was for. Do you remember that?
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
My mom was a little. We can't. My mom was a little bit annoyed that I didn't get her to bring her brushes,
Oh.
and so the moon's a tiny bit off.
Mm.
She was hoping you wouldn't mind or whatever. She said when she comes on her next visit, she's gonna bring her proper brushes.
Oh, and tattoo that.
She's gonna touch up the moon so
Aw.
it's perfectly symmetrical. She
Aw,
has a tiny
that's
bit of
so
skew.
sweet.
And look at her tails.
I know. I love how their tails are. I just.
Now what we're gonna do as well is I still have at least 12 more hooks. Once you put your stuff, if you want hooks on the sides, if you want hooks on these sides, if you want, I thought you could put knickknacks in here, but if you decide you want hooks across the top, if you want, we will customize it any way that you want it.
Thank you.
And then we'll hang it up. If we have to remove one piece of art off your wall, we'll figure it out.
Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Thank
I love
for
you.
putting in so much time and effort and love into it. Thank you. I love it.
And that's why you do homemade gifts. Build stuff with your hands. Look at her reaction.
He could have went out and bought me a jewelry thing and it wouldn't have meant as much as this.
She probably still would have loved it, but this means more because she knows how many hours I put into it and that I got my mother to help me and I got my niece to help me.
And then the love and the thought.
And the fact that she really wants one, she's been talking about it for a long time. She showed me off of Pinterest, things as like, examples to look at.
And I've always like wanted like my jewelry to kind of like be kind of together in one place and just the Sailor Moon and the kitties and the just everything. Thanks for knowing and loving me so much. To my best friend, I love you. You are so special to me.
Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas, everyone.